Take this WPS spreadsheet as an example. In order to better supplement the content of the table, we can insert the objects we need in the table. First, select cell F2, click the Insert tab, and the Object button. We can choose Create New or Create from File on the left side in the pop-up dialog. In the Create New interface, we can select different types of blank documents in the Object Type area, and we can edit them manually. In the Create from File interface, we can insert local documents, applications, audio files, video files, and so on. Click the Browse button and select the Word object that needs to be inserted. The option Link to File means that the inserted object will be linked with its source file. If we want them to change synchronously, we can check Link to File. If we want to display the inserted object as an icon, we can check Display as Icon and click the Change Icon button to change our icon form. Once set, click OK. Then the table is inserted into the document. If we need to edit the table again, we can double-click the table area. Updating the source file will display the changes in the Word document. Did you get it?